It is Monday, and I am getting ready to plan out my week. I'm doing some journaling right now, and I'm getting ready to study. I don't even know if I'm going to post this footage. If anything, this footage is for me. I am in a place to where I am wanting to refocus some energies and just get back on track with some things that I know that I've been wanting to accomplish or do. There's certain feelings that I am wanting to connect with and embody. So I am doing a little bit of realignment, and I am having to also think differently than I believe I have fallen to within the last month or so. So this week, usually when I get ready to plan my week, I'm going at it very aggressively. But during my meditation time this morning, it was important to me to be easy on myself this week and use this week to refocus and realign myself with where it is I truly want to go. So it's going to take some mindset work. It's going to take me meditating and getting back grounded, and being intentional with my thinking and not being set on autopilot. That's what this week is going to consist of. It's also a special week because it is currently spring break. My girls are here, and I need to, for me, I want to be able to talk to them, do some type of activity with them. We're not going on a trip this week, but I want them to feel like I want them to feel me, and I want to feel them. So this week is going to be all about me getting in touch with me and doing the work, doing the emotional and the mental work so that I can recalibrate and get back on. So yeah. And this is my first time connecting my microphone to my camera. I wonder if it works at all. This is a DJI mic to my Pocket 2. I'm excited because I ordered the Pocket 3 to elevate my vlogging experience, and it comes in tomorrow or the day after. I'm really excited. So with this camera, to see what I did there. With this camera, I ordered just the camera. They come with a creator's studio kit, and you get the microphone, an extra battery pack, and a little phone stand, but I didn't do it this time. So I'm hoping that I don't have any regrets to that. And I see this light blinking. I wonder if I can tell a quality difference in the audio. And it would be really great if this mic worked with my Pocket 3. and I just wanted to get back on to say keep going. If you're doing something and it's difficult and you want to freeze up, don't stop. Just identify what it is that's trying to stop you, because I've had a few moments to where I just wanted to procrastinate, go to my phone, scroll TikTok, play a game, but I made a commitment to myself to identify what I'm feeling at that particular time, to push past any feelings of inefficiency, inadequacy, and just know that I have what it takes to move forward. So this was one of those moments where I had to coach myself out of not saying, well, I'll just pick this up tomorrow, when I have the time today to get it done. All right, it is currently 5 minutes after 5 while I'm filming this, and I have been at this since about 1 o'clock today. I did majority of my housework yesterday that I wanted to get done so that I wouldn't step away from my desk right now to go and say, I need to do laundry. I need to go and vacuum the living room. I need to go vacuum my car. I need to put on a load of laundry. I tried to do all of that ahead of time before sitting down because I know myself. I'll want to get distracted. All right, get ready to go back to it. My eyelashes may be coming off. If so, just know I'm going through it today. I'm trying to get this document done. Just in case you are a student yourself, I want to know what are some essentials that you need when you get ready to sit down to do your assignments. You write. A few of mine are my AirPods. I like to play soft piano music in my ear if I don't play it out loud. But because I have family home today and I'm trying to block off as many distractions as possible. And if I was in a public place, like a library or a lobby, my AirPods come in handy. And of course, I keep my water with me, which I need to restock it, refill it. My water is a necessity. Of course, I'll keep a snack. Now, the snack I'm getting ready to show you, excuse me, it's not the best snack, but I like these by Snack Club. It's the watermelon rings with tahini. Just when I want a little something sweet and salty, I'll grab 1 or 2 of those. I like to have something fresh. I've been on a carrot kick recently, so I've eaten a bowl of carrot salad. Of course, I had lunch and dinner is almost being prepared. So I do like to keep some form of snack with me, and because my nerves may get the best of me, I try to have the best kind of snacks with me, particularly something with a crunch, or like my watermelon rings, sweet and salty. And if the area permits, because I'm home, I love to have something lit, like a candle or my wax warmer. When I started earlier today, I lit my candle and I said I would cut it off at a certain time, and then I switched to my wax warmer. It has a light on it, so I just like the glow of those things. And after dinner, I'm going to come back in here and write again. I'm going to switch from my wax warmer back to my candle. Because I'm doing a lot of writing, I have tons of things that I've printed off so I can highlight those. So I have my highlighters with me. I guess I took them to the other room. Of course, I have my charger for my computer and my camera just in case I want to say hello to you all. But yeah, I have my essentials with me so that I can focus on doing this. And everything outside of the candles and the wax warmer, I carry everything with me, possibly everywhere I go in my bag, just so I can set up my workstation, study station, and have all of my essentials with me. So if you are approaching a deadline, whether it's for school or it's for your job, keep all of the essentials that you need to be productive with you, so you won't have an excuse to not do what you need to do because you don't have what you need. All right. I feel better than I did before working on my document. My family is being very supportive of me. They're off in their own areas. They'll come and they'll check on me. I'll go and I'll check on them. I like the flow that I'm going in. I'm starting to be able to breathe a little bit better. Yeah, I can't wait till I'm at the very end of the road and I don't have to worry about this anymore, because I feel like I'm wasting spring break. I'm not wasting it. I'm definitely doing it for a better, to reach a goal, but I'm looking forward to having soft days, meaning get off work and not have to jump back into schoolwork, although I'm going to probably fill that time with something else. All right, talk to you in a little bit. And again, if you see my eyelashes flapping, just know we're in this together. It's a struggle and I'm not yet ready to pull them off. All right, talk to you when I get ready to end the project. Friend that came to say hello. Say hello, Charlie. Say hello, Charlie. Makes it feel good to have mid-writing cuddles with this pretty girl. Charlie, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No, she's busy trying to find something to get into. It is now 7:02 and I'm making it on down, but I had to stop and get some cuddles. It seems like I'm doing the cuddling while she's trying to do other things. It is now 9:20. I'm still at it. I'm giving myself to 10 o'clock to shut it down for the night. If you are here at the end of this very boring video, thank you so much. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what my writing session looks like. It's not aesthetically pleasing, it's actual real life getting the work done. Friend, thank you so much again for watching, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay along with me on my journey. I am believing that I can keep the camera rolling until it is time for me to be put on that graduation stage at the end of this year, and I want you to be right there with me. All right, until the next video, have a great day.